Take 3,476.
All right, you guys asked for it and I'm delivering it today. You saw what you can fit inside of a JetKids suitcase. I'm going to show you today what you can actually fit when you're using the BedBox feature for your little ones. So this is an onboard feature that you can use on the airplanes for your little ones. It actually rolls out, and as JetKids says, you're flying first class with a coach seat. So the first thing that you're going to do is actually not pack this at the bottom, even though you might want to. You want this easily accessible on the airplane. So you're actually gonna pack everything else in first, and then that's the last thing you're gonna pack. So we're gonna start with 2 travel cubes with kid clothes. Obviously this is infant toddler size clothes. 5 shirts, 5 pairs of pants, and this one has 5 onesies, 2 pairs of jammies, 5 pairs of socks, and a swimsuit in there. So those 2 travel cubes are gonna go in first. And these are smaller travel cubes than the one that I showed previously in a different video, because you do have the bed feature and it does take up a certain amount of space. The next thing that you're gonna pack in there is your diapers and wipes for the plane only. This is not for the entire trip. And in this, I have wipes, about 6 or 7 diapers, and a white plain onesie, just in case of any accidents or blowouts on the trip or on the airplane. And you can just take this whole travel cube out and take it to the plane's bathroom with you. You're also gonna shove in there a toddler size sippy cup and some onboard reading material. I've learned to keep it simple when you're flying with little ones, because they're gonna be more mesmerized with just the things on the plane than they are anything you bring them. The next 2 things I put in there are just some snacks. I do bring a couple lollipops in there for desperate times and desperate measures, and a traveling white noise sound machine. So after you have all that stuff in, the last thing I put in before I put the lid on is the BedBox feature. So I put that in, squish it down, and then I'm going to get the lid with the sliding feature and put 2 more things in here. The first thing I'm gonna put in is the new JetKids wool blanket for my little man. It's breathable, it's soft, and I want one myself. And the last thing is a little compartment, easily accessible, of his little figurines and toys. He actually likes cars and trains, so that's what's in there. And then this slides. And then the last thing you're gonna do to get ready for your plane ride is you are going to put the lid on, and that is it. So you can still fit a lot inside this with the BedBox feature. Once your child is aged out of that, obviously the BedBox feature is no longer needed, and you do gain that other space. That's it.